Komodo Island, a remote and captivating destination in Indonesia, is renowned for its unique biodiversity, stunning landscapes, and the iconic Komodo dragons that roam its shores. Part of the Komodo National Park, a UNESCO World Heritage Site, the island offers a rare opportunity for travelers to experience both natural wonders and ancient reptilian inhabitants. The highlight of Komodo Island is undoubtedly the Komodo dragon, the world's largest lizard species. Visitors can embark on guided tours to witness these prehistoric creatures in their natural habitat, observing their behaviors and learning about their conservation efforts. The island's rangers provide valuable insights into the dragon's behavior, feeding habits, and role in the delicate ecosystem. The rugged terrain of Komodo Island offers a range of outdoor activities for adventure enthusiasts. Hiking trails lead to scenic viewpoints that offer panoramic vistas of the surrounding seas and neighboring islands. The Pink Beach, known for its unique pink-hued sand, is a picturesque spot for swimming, snorkeling, and simply enjoying the serene coastal beauty. Snorkeling and diving in Komodo's crystal-clear waters are a diver's dream, with vibrant coral reefs, diverse marine life, and underwater topography that ranges from gentle slopes to dramatic drop-offs. The underwater world of Komodo National Park is home to an array of marine species, including manta rays, turtles, and reef sharks. The island's landscapes are a blend of dramatic hills, rugged coastlines, and lush vegetation. Treks through the island's interior reveal diverse flora and fauna, providing opportunities to encounter wild boars, deer, and a variety of bird species. The Padar Island viewpoint, accessible via a short hike, offers a postcard-worthy panorama of crescent-shaped beaches and azure waters. Komodo Island's remoteness and pristine natural beauty make it an ideal destination for those seeking solitude and a deeper connection to nature. The absence of urban development allows visitors to experience a sense of tranquility and escape from the modern world. The preservation of Komodo Island's unique ecosystem is a collaborative effort involving local communities, authorities, and conservation organizations. Visitors can learn about these efforts and contribute to responsible tourism practices that ensure the island's sustainability for future generations. In essence, Komodo Island is a destination that offers a rare blend of adventure, wildlife encounters, and natural beauty. Whether it's coming face-to-face with the majestic Komodo dragons, exploring vibrant marine ecosystems, hiking through pristine landscapes, or simply enjoying the serenity of remote shores, Komodo Island invites travelers to embark on a journey that immerses them in the wild wonders of Indonesia's natural heritage.